What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be making a leather belt. Now, I will say the only thing I did to this was I didn't have a strip of leather long enough, so right here I split it and glued it, and then we'll be stitching it. It's not a perfect seam, but I don't care. This will be getting a stitch line along both the edges all the way. But that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all. There we go. It ain't perfect. None of my work is. We know that. I'm happy with it. It's a belt. I'll be able to wear it. It'll last me a long time. I will say, if you're going to make a belt, I hope you have a leather stitching machine, because hand stitching this took hours. And I mean hours. So, do with that information what you will. Good project. Like I said, I'll use this for a long time. This will last me the rest of my life, so I'm glad to be making it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Well, we're doing a big giveaway when we hit 500, so make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the project. And until next time, thank you all for watching. Peace.